Hello, and a big warm welcome to all the Body Bite Insights fam. We're so glad you've tuned in for today's episode. Get ready as we delve into the fascinating world of hormones, those incredible messengers in our bodies that play vital roles in everything from hunger to sleep. You might remember us briefly touching on some hormones in our previous videos: sleep deprivation, the shocking impact on our body, and night sleep versus day sleep, unveiling the secret. The links to these videos are in the description. Stick around till the end because we have a bonus tip that you wouldn't want to miss. So, what exactly are hormones and why are they so important? Hormones, in the simplest terms, are your body's way of sending messages. They are chemical substances produced by glands in your body and travel through your bloodstream to various tissues and organs. Think of them as your body's internal communication system. Their primary purpose is to regulate and control a wide range of bodily functions, from simple needs like hunger and thirst, to complex systems like reproduction and even emotions and mood. Yes, you heard that right. Your feelings of joy, stress, or even that sudden burst of energy are all influenced by hormones. Now, let's get to know some of these hormones. We'll start with insulin, a hormone that many of you may be familiar with. Produced in the pancreas, insulin plays a vital role in regulating your blood sugar levels. When you eat, your blood sugar rises, prompting your pancreas to release insulin to help your cells absorb the sugar and keep your blood sugar levels in check. Next up, we have adrenaline, also known as the fight-or-flight hormone. Produced by your adrenal glands, adrenaline prepares your body for a sudden burst of energy during times of stress or danger. It increases your heart rate, blood pressure, and energy supplies. And then we have the happy hormone, serotonin. This is a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, happiness, and anxiety. Low levels of serotonin are associated with depression and anxiety, while higher levels make you feel happier. We also have hormones that play a crucial role in our sleep patterns, melatonin being one of them. Produced in the pineal gland, melatonin controls your sleep-wake cycle, telling your body when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. And these are just a few examples. The human body produces and uses more than 50 different hormones, each playing a unique role in maintaining your health and well-being. Are you intrigued? Well, there's so much more we're going to delve into. Ever wonder why sometimes you're famished and other times you're full as a tick? Well, meet the hunger hormones. When it comes to our relationship with food, two hormones are the key players: ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone, is produced in the stomach and plays a crucial role in signaling hunger to the brain. When your stomach is empty, ghrelin levels rise, sending a message to your brain that it's time to eat. After you've had a meal, ghrelin levels drop, reducing your appetite. On the other side of the spectrum, we have leptin, the satiety hormone. Produced by our fat cells, leptin's main job is to tell the brain that we've eaten enough and it's time to stop. As you consume food and your fat stores increase, more leptin is released, which helps to suppress your appetite and prevent overeating. These hormones play a vital role in maintaining our energy balance. They help us to recognize when we're genuinely hungry and when we've had enough to eat. They're the body's natural way of preventing both overeating and undereating, helping us to maintain a healthy weight. Now imagine you've just eaten a large meal. Your leptin levels would be high, telling your brain that you're full, and your ghrelin levels would be low, reducing your desire to eat. But if you've gone a long time without eating, your ghrelin levels would be high, signaling to your brain that it's time to refuel, and your leptin levels would be low, allowing you to eat enough to satisfy your hunger. But these hormones aren't just about controlling hunger. They also play a role in regulating our metabolism and energy use. For example, ghrelin not only signals hunger, but also stimulates the release of growth hormone, which is important for cell growth and repair. On the other hand, leptin, besides signaling satiety, influences the function of other hormones, including insulin, and plays a role in reproductive health and immunity. It's fascinating how these hormones control our appetite, isn't it? Ever had trouble sleeping or feeling awake during the day? Your sleep-wake hormones might be playing tricks on you. Let's dive into the world of sleep-wake hormones and meet the two main players, melatonin and cortisol. These hormones are like yin and yang, each with their own unique roles and functions that help us transition between sleep and wakefulness. First up, we have melatonin, often referred to as the sleep hormone. This hormone is produced by the pineal gland in the brain when it starts to get dark, signaling to our body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Melatonin helps regulate our internal body clock, or circadian rhythm, ensuring we feel sleepy at night and awake during the day. It's like a natural lullaby that sings our body to sleep. Then, as dawn breaks and light enters our eyes, the production of melatonin decreases, and it's time for cortisol to take center stage. Cortisol, sometimes called the stress hormone, is actually a vital part of our morning wake-up call. It peaks in the early hours of the morning, giving us that get-up-and-go energy we need to start the day. It helps us feel alert, focused, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at us. But these hormones do more than just dictate when we sleep and wake. They also play crucial roles in our overall health and well-being. Melatonin, for instance, is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage, and cortisol, it helps regulate our immune response, metabolism, and even our memory. So you see, these hormones are more than just the sleep-wake regulators. They're like the backstage crew of a theater production, working behind the scenes to ensure everything runs smoothly. They help us function optimally during the day, rest effectively at night, and maintain a healthy balance in our bodies. These hormones truly are the unsung heroes of our daily routine. So the next time you're having a peaceful night's sleep or feeling energized to seize the day, remember to tip your hat to melatonin and cortisol, the dynamic duo of sleep and wakefulness. As promised, here's our bonus tip on how to help your hormones work better. Here's the deal. As stated earlier, hormones are like the body's communication system. They tell your body what to do and when to do it. But like any system, they need proper maintenance to function efficiently. So, let's talk about how you can give your hormones a helping hand. Firstly, let's focus on nutrition. Your diet plays an important role in hormone health. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help keep your hormones in check. For instance, insulin, this one hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels, responds well to a diet low in processed sugars and high in fiber. And what can we say about sleep? Yes, sleep. That thing we all wish we had more of. It's not just about getting your beauty rest. It's about giving your body the time it needs to reset, reload, and replenish. Lack of sleep can throw off hormones like cortisol, the stress hormone, and melatonin, which helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. So make sure you're getting your recommended 7 to 9 hours each night. And finally, let's talk about stress. We all experience it, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your hormones. It can lead to imbalances in cortisol and adrenaline, hormones that play key roles in our fight-or-flight response. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, like practicing mindfulness or getting regular exercise, can help keep these hormones in balance. In the grand scheme of things, it's all about balance. Balancing your diet, your sleep, and your stress levels can help create an environment where your hormones can thrive. But remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another. So it's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Remember, a little change can make a big difference in how your hormones function. And that's our deep dive into the world of hormones. How did you like this memorable journey? We've covered the fascinating world of hunger hormones, understanding how they regulate our appetite while delving into the intricate functions of sleep and wake hormones, shedding light on their roles in our sleep patterns. It's truly awe-inspiring to learn about these tiny yet powerful substances, orchestrating a symphony of functions within our bodies, silently, tirelessly, every single moment of our lives. And remember that bonus tip we promised? Helping your hormones do their jobs better might be as simple as maintaining a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and staying active. So if you found this journey as intriguing as we did, why not join the Body Bite Insights fam? We're always exploring the amazing world within us, and we'd love to have you on board. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss a beat. And if you've enjoyed this video, why not share the love? Give us a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. We're curious about your hormone journey too. Were there things you didn't know before watching this video? Or maybe you have a question or two. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below on what you didn't know about hormones before watching this video. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed,